So, a black man's no cooking cookbook. We represent change. Change from the inside out. Change that makes a difference. About walking change and not so much trying to get other people to change. We represent the people that have been down certain roads, trying to come back to make the right choices in life. People who have opened up their eyes to see the things that they've done and willing to make a change in life. Start it all over and then represent change to our young people, the youth. Let them know how different life could be by going down one path instead of another path. And that makes a big difference in life, but it also requires peace, patience, and endurance. This is the Black Man's No Cooking Cookbook. It's not about cooking, it's about living.